Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog shower sprayer? In this video we will show the best dog shower sprayer. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog shower sprayers you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best dog shower sprayers from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pet Dog Shower Adjustable Mode. You will find this 8-in-1 spray useful for a variety of cleaning and watering tasks, with 8 spray settings: mist, jet, cone, shower, pull down, side adjustment, crack, crevice, and flat. Whether you are washing your pet, your car, or your plants, this tool is perfect for every situation. Strong base material including zinc alloy increases its performance and consistent usage, and the thumb on/off switch enables the user to control the water flow easily. Convertible to soap mode for thorough cleaning with the foam or press button conveniently located at the lance. For ease of use, it can be attached to any 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch garden hoses or any faucet, for it is universal. The features of this sprayer also come with an additional dog bathing brush to help in pet grooming procedures. Ideal for cleaning hard floors, yards, and caring for your pets, this one device can be used inside as well as outside of your home. Number 2. High Pressure Sprayer. Your dog can have a personalized cleaning experience with this cutting-edge cleaning tool's 3 adjustable settings. This cleaning pistol is capable of providing a targeted stream, a strong spray, or a mild rinse. Because it is made of sturdy materials and is easy to handle, your dog will get a complete cleaning with little effort. 3 adjustable options. To meet your cleaning requirements, select between a mild rinse, strong spray, or focused stream. Ergonomic design. This design makes bath time less stressful for both you and your pet by being simple to hold and operate. Sturdy construction, constructed from premium, long-lasting materials. Simple connection. For a speedy setup, it works with common garden hoses. You can modify the water pressure for a more comfortable cleaning experience with the help of water flow control. Multipurpose, perfect for cleaning feet, bathing dogs, and even cleaning other pets. Number 3. Dog Washing Hose. Pet bath time is now incredibly convenient thanks to this bathtub faucet sprayer attachment with soap dispenser, which is the ideal combination of a faucet sprayer and a dog shampoo sprayer. The ideal bathtub faucet sprayer attachment for washing your dog, car, watering flowers, and cleaning your home. It features 10 spray patterns, a simple spin spray selector with many settings, and a maximum flow rate of 1.78 GPM, 6.8 liters per minute, at 80 psi. The updated tub shower adapter gives your bathtub sink faucet more versatility by adding a handheld dog washer sprayer to your original tub faucet. Suitable for a variety of sink faucets and bathtubs in your kitchen sink, laundry area, garden tub, and recreational vehicle. Our dog washing shower attachment is ideal for house cleaning, car washing, watering, and pet bathing both indoors and outdoors. Number 4. ROJECO Automatic Foam Making Machine. The ROJECO Automatic Foam Making Machine for pets makes pet washing more convenient and intelligent and minimizes human effort. This is a USB rechargeable device which is intended for cats and dogs and has IPX7 waterproof design accompanied with durable plastic casing. Having a 400 milliliters capacity, the bottle is perfect for various functions and works well with any type of shampoo. Rechargeable, it charges fast for the 3 hours and provides up to 2 hours of usage to enhance the bathing process. This is an automatic soap dispenser, which produces much foam for its application so that grooming does not stress pets or their owners. It features a white color that brings a modern look to the pet accessories. Besides being compact, easy to carry on trips, specifically designed for cats or dogs, the ROJECO dispenser makes the process of cleaning and grooming so much easier. A bath time joy. Number 5. Yellow Duck Electric Foam Machine. Cute yellow duckling silhouette. The 350 milliliters electric foam soap dispenser can create rich foam, which is a useful tool for cleaning in daily life. When the proper ratio of liquid detergent to water, 1:6, is added, for timid dogs and cats who are easily frightened by loud noises, the quiet operation of the highly efficient motor makes it ideal. You can bathe your pet without worrying about it. The soap dispenser is safe to use and easy to bathe in thanks to its IPX5 waterproof grade. To continually make foam, press the switch. It's simple to use and convenient. Because of the battery's 1200 mAh capacity, power outages are not a concern. With an incredibly long standby period of 1 to 2 months, it can guarantee your use. It can endure for 3 hours. A soap dispenser can be used for a variety of purposes and assist us finish cleaning jobs quickly, including cleaning the kitchen, bathroom, pet, and bicycle. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.